Aroy makmak. Very delicious. Okay. Wow. So, cooking class, restaurant. So, on this video, magko-cooking class ako. Ako lang. Ay, si Alex, ayaw niya. Mag-swimming lang daw siya. So, ito yung sura niya. Yeah, ito yung spa. May spa din sila dito. Ganda. So, yung going to their spa. Ayan, tayo sa cooking class. So, hindi ka na kung may classmate ako. Sorry ka.
Ay, gusto naman ako.
Makapagpilian niya pumili kasi ako na mag-isa dito. Kaya ng curry. Aroy. Delicious.
Ang zoom eh.
Aroy makmak. Very delicious.
Kasali ako. Siya lang naman ako siya.
Consolation.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Nakalibre sa Alex ang welcome drinks. Ito yung ininom namin kanina.
Eh, di kasali. Kampay! Oh, mas mabigat yung baso.
Mas bayan ko. Yung price is 6,000 baht. Pero 1,800 since merong promotion. Rainy season promotion. May free welcome drink, water, Sawasdee cap, and apron. Tapos meron siyang ingredient book, recipe book. Yan.
24.
45. 24 ingredients. Recipe. 24 dishes. Kaya yung itsura niya dito. Oh, I think doon yung cooking class. Yan. Ito yung restaurant. Dito rin naman yung breakfast and lunch and dinner. Lahat dito. So, yan. Ang ganda kasi mukha siyang traditional na place. Yan. Ganda. Yan. Tapos mamaya, iikot namin kayo sa mga pool. Kasi parang ang daming Instagrammable places dito. Let's go.
Okay.
May creation ako. Bakit na lang kaya to?
Ah.
And then, sabi ko kanina bibili ako ng cap. Ng cap. Buti hindi ako bumili. Kasi meron ako free cap.
Oh, free cup. Wow.
I'm ready.
Cooking master boy.
Cooking master boy. Okay na.
Ano, junior master chef. Ay, di pala
Ay, nasira ko.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes! Gusto naman over there.
Is it okay? Take video?
Ah, okay.
I'll just put that aside. What's your name?
My name is Sao.
Sao?
Yes. And Kai?
Kai.
Kai, yeah. Medyo sifting toy ba ka? Please, smile. Afternoon, pretty muchนะคะมาจากซ้ายมาเป็นเชฟสาวนะคะว่าชื่ออะไรชานีเป็นชานีนะคะโอเคได้วิดีโอค่ะ
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. In the first time, more like a African with seafood. Like a seafood from May chicken and pot. And clean already นะคะกินเด็ดพอดิซอสสวีทเซรั่มลามจูส
What's this?
sweet syrup. You want to test first?
Is it okay?
Yeah, then birthday. Pizza.
And
It was the favorite sauce. Yeah, good. It's also chili mushroom,
chili mushroom.
sorali,
Yeah.
yes, spring onion,
What's this one? Chili mushroom.
yellow mushroom. Yes, perfect. Shallot, tomato, fresh chili. Would you like some spicy? A little spicy? A little bit
Because Thai always spicy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's good. It's good.
Miss Canada, naka?
Good girl. Yay. Wow.
Only just water in your bowl, very soft. Cook for like a meat. For enough, huh?
It's good.
Yeah, good.
Only.
Steak, chicken first. Chicken, only chicken first. And after for your prawn, you can put for hot, please. Make my smile, Okay.
So do you have too much bread when cooking at home? Too much normal.
Spread in your meat chicken a little bit, for spread. You can put for hot, please.
Boiling. Yay. Wow. Celery, Ano?
Sauce. Yes.
Fish sauce.
Yes.
Then lime.
Yes. Take my chutney on the house. My smile. Okay.
Lime.
Syrup.
Syrup.
Salty favorite sauce on. Sweet, salty, sour.
Yeah.
Mix together.
I didn't know there's syrup.
Foster mix.
This one also.
Yes.
Mix everything?
Yes.
This one?
Yes. And mix. Kule.
Wow. See?
Yes. Ano yun dyan? Dyan yung yung. Ano?
Mix. Okay.
Ini.
Take video of here.
Oh. Jadi sauce inside na po. Something mix in your noodle.มันจะปีออนนะคะจะดูกระบอกนะคะถูกไหมตำโมสไปซี่เนาะ
No.
Spicy? No.
Good. Good.
It's already
Okay. Wow.
Coriander on decoration on top นะคะ
Coconut milk soup. I'm the sous chef assistant. My chef. Kakain pa after. I'm assistant only.
Okay, chef? Okay.
Okay, chef. Okay. Yes, chef.
Decoration on top, ha?
See, I'll do the design. See?
Let's show product, ha? Okay. Like a masterpiece. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2.
na yung dishes na ginawa ko. So, naputo yung pinapuso kasi nalobat. So, kakainin namin yung food and i-taste test ni Alex. Wow! So, ano to? Coconut milk. Coconut milk soup. Chicken lahat. Ay, may shrimp ata. Or chicken.
Ito na yung 3 dishes na ito. Salad, main dish, and
Salad, main dish, and soup. Let's try the soup.
oh, mag-dinner yan.
Pag midnight, stock mo lang pala kayo mamaya. So this soup.
How's the cooking?
All lang. Siguro kasi mag-isa lang ako. Kasi lahat ginawa nila para sa akin. Wala akong ginagawa. Parang pinapanood ko lang sila. Tapos yung ingredients is pre-prepared na siya. Tapos yun. Tapos parang, ang participation ko na is mag-hipa. Ayun. So, itong coconut milk, hindi ko ganun ka-beto. Siguro sa palate ko lang. Kasi parang wala siyang lasa. Or kulang yung lasa. Pero tinanong ko sila, ganun daw talaga yung taste niya. So, yun. Hindi tayo. Kasi yun yung alam nilang taste eh. Medyo bland para sa akin. So, 3/5 sa akin.
But, sure.
Yeah. Tapos itong chicken with cashew. Medyo salty. Pero,
Sabi nga.
kasi may rice naman sa amin. Parang around 4. Kasi masarap yung mushroom head. Yung Thai mushroom. Tapos ito ang the best. Yung noodles.
Salad.
Yun yung, pinaka the best for me. Yeah. So overall, itong cooking class, fun siyang gawin. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-interactive compared na nag-Spain ako. Dun sa, mag-luto ko nun? Paella. Mas interactive eh. Pero di ako, magbet naman sila lahat. Like super, natatakot silang mapasok. So pag may mga classic na konti, kunin na nila sa'yo. Yeah, yan. Pero overall, okay naman siya. Pili ko fun siya kapag marami kayo. Ayun. So, highly recommended. Pwede na. Kung wala namang gagawin. Why not? Tapos, pinagawa ko sa yung mga dishes na hindi commonly na kinakain namin or meron doon sa place namin. Kaya, it's a good experience. Pero hindi, siguro sa ibang cooking class, iba yung experience. Baka better yung interaction. Better yung hands-on. Diba? Ayun, so kain na kami ulit.
Sige ba ito?
And then, mag-sim na kami.